So there's two types of bamboo, the running bamboo and the clumping bamboo. Legally in Europe, we're only allowed to have clumping bamboo because running bamboo can run off really quick. Look, it's another spider plane. Invasive is not, it's not an invasive species. There's a misconception because yes, if you leave it unchecked, it will grow everywhere. Thus people think it's an invasive species, but it's not. Invasive species definitely by definition means that humans, animals, insects pick up the seed and then distribute them throughout the world. And then it displaces natural habitats and plants. But bamboo does not do this. It's just going to keep spreading here within its parameters if you leave it unchecked. But as we're leaving it checked, as we have to constantly manage it, it is not an invasive species.
How do we manage? How do we make sure that the roots don't go everywhere?
So around the perimeter of each of our little bamboo fields, we're going to be digging a 1/2 meter trench by 1/2 meter wide. That way we can monitor and see what bamboo shoots, not shoots, but the rhizome. So bamboo naturally lives once it's fully grown 1/2 meter deep. And then once you trench it, it cannot come out. But if we do see it come out, we can cut it and manage it that way easily.
So what is an invasive species?
There's introduced species that will thrive in a habitat but won't displace. And an invasive species, whether it's an animal or a plant, is actively competing against the native habitats and displacing them, meaning it's killing off or taking all the resources that the other species that are native would need. So that's an invasive species, meaning it's displacing the native ones.
That's why in Australia, you're not allowed to bring any seeds or anything, any food.
Most islands, Hawaii, Fiji, the Polynesian islands, it's forbidden to bring any outside fruits because then it would completely disrupt their entire ecosystem.
So can everyone chill?
Yeah, sure.
Ciao.